Hi guys, this is Isa of Dollar Herns. Today, I will show you our Galaxy Core na nag-sale ng 2,499. Ito po yun, and papakita ko lang sa inyo. Una muna, dito sa likod. Ito yung likod. This is dual SIM, micro SIM unit. Dual po siya. Dito yung isa, dito yung isa. Memory card, also here, at the top of the other SIM card. This core, the Samsung Galaxy Core is Korea copy, no? Ito po yung battery niya. Okay, it says original, but it isn't. Again, this is only a premium copy. Okay. Galaxy Core. What you can get sa box po ng Galaxy Core ay ang paulit-ulit na headset, charger USB connector, and manual. Makita niyo po ba? Okay. Ito po yung box niya. Here's the quick specs. It says dual core, 1.2 gigahertz processor, 5 MP camera, touch with support dual SIM card. Okay. Ito na po siya. Okay. Yan po. Actually, hindi ko pa masyadong na-explore to. But, before na nakahawak na ako nito, maganda yung quality ng camera. And, sulit talaga yung inyong 2.5 dito. Ay, I'm sorry. Di na pala siya promo. Yan, may naka-install na siya ng Facebook. Meron siyang Yahoo. Ito po yung ating Play Store. YouTube, may naka-install na rin. Skype. Let's see the about ng phone. Yan, lagi nating tinitingnan. Yan. This is Gingerbread 4.3 Android version. Model number GTI 8262. Storage 8 GB, but again, it's not full 8 GB kasi yung iba kailangan niya para sa pagbabrowse dito. So, it's better kung lalagyan ng microSD. So you see, available is 4.96 GB. But it says here, the total space was 8 GB. Okay? Siyempre, ayoko namang sabihin na yun. Although, pwede kong sabihin that it has an 8 GB storage. But then, nakakahiya naman sa mga buyers. So, let's be true. Okay? Wala pong clone na nagsasabi ng totoo. Yung seller ang dapat magsabi ng totoo at hindi yung mababasa nyo sa bawat boxes or bawat about ng phone ng bawat unit. Let's see the camera. Yan. You see? So maliwanag. So malinaw. I guarantee na magugustuhan po ninyo yung camera. 5 megapixel for 2,500. Fair enough. Syempre, mas gusto nyo ng higher pixel, mas higher price din. Diba? Here's the front camera. It's also good. The resolution, it's quite fair. What else? this is very usual din kagaya ng mga S4, Grand 2, Grand Duos, the same, similar apps, pareho lang din ng mga features. Let's see kung meron. Oh, yun lang. Wala siyang air shuffle. Unlike parang Duos nga. No, not S4, I'm sorry. Duos din kasi is walang air shuffle. But it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPRS. It also has a data, I think. Let's see. Yeah, mobile network, data, yeah, enable. So, kung TM or Globe kayo, makakapag-Facebook kayo ng libre. Okay. Reminder lang po sa mga nagpa-purchase, no? When your unit nag-prompt na ng the battery is running low, sana po paki-charge na siya. Don't drain kasi minsan nasisisi din yung seller like us na bakit mahina yung battery ng phone. Of course, nasa pag-iingat niyo po yan. Once na nasa inyo na yung unit, sabi nila matibay ba? Yes, because we've using clone units since 2010 and until now, we're still using some units like LG G3. Siyempre, yung latest kailangan ma-try. So, but before I've been into a lot of units like S4, S5, Note 3, lahat po na-try ko na. So, kung sasabihin na matibay ba, again, nasa gumagamit po yan at kayo na po bahalang mag-alaga, no? Kasi yun sa akin, hanggang ngayon, napapakinabangan pa ng mga pamangkin ko, ng hipag ko. So, I guarantee matibay, wag nyo lang pong ibabalibag. Okay guys, thank you for watching and just show you the Samsung Core na nag-sale para lang makita nyo. Thank you. Bye!